Your guide will provide you with help to get rid of the pop-ups related to the site elixirnexus.com. This is a deceptive pop-up attack in Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to mislead users and to make them click on this allow button. But to click on allow is extremely dangerous. Because of that, you may be redirected to some filthy sites. Also, if the allow button was mistakenly clicked, you may start receiving the tremendous portion of intrusive advertisements in the right part of the screen. To remove these ads, access the menu, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, then make sure you select Site Settings, and in Permissions choose Notifications. Now you need to remove all these junk sites if you find them on the list. Carefully, one by one, make sure you get rid of all these junk and filthy sites. Indeed, they are often pretty filthy and display pretty filthy content. So to stop these ads, you need to deactivate them. Also, I recommend that you carefully scan the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus by going to the page combocleaner.com. So download it, install it, and then start carefully examining the computer with its help to detect and eliminate other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, for the first time the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only Quick Scan option is available. So you need to click on Start Scan button, and then the scanning will immediately begin. But most likely, of course, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip that important step if Combo Cleaner suggests you to update its antivirus database. Then the scanning itself will take place. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And it may depend on other factors too, of course. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan at the end of the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on several features, for instance, anti-ransomware feature, which will always protect your files against ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license, though. So you need to wait a certain amount of time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually. However, we recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner to make sure your computer is always under decent protection.